What's up guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Do you want to add parallax effect like in this website, in your own WordPress website? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add easily parallax background effect in your WordPress website. To add parallax background effect in your site, open your site and log into the dashboard. Once you logged into your site, scroll down to the plugins and click on Add New. Search AWB. Install advanced WordPress backgrounds. And activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, go back to dashboard. Now we will add parallax effect in WordPress page. To add new page, click on pages and then click on add new. Add page title. Skip this template library. Now click on plus icon and select AWB background widget. From the block editor, click on image and then select an image. Select image that you want to add in background. Now you can see your image was added. Click on this full width button and change content alignment. Now here you can add paragraph. Now to add parallax, click on image, scroll down. Here you can change size. On the parallax, change disable to scroll. Now you can see preview here. When you scroll, your image was scrolled as plugin setting. You can also add scale. You can see an animation. You can also add opacity. Add scroll plus opacity and publish the page. Now view the page. You can see the parallax effect added. Click on edit page. Then click on image. Click on these three lines and select wide width. Now update the page and view the page. Here you can see parallax effect added in your site. That's how you can easily add parallax effect in your WordPress website using Gutenberg editor. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.